Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Ipsy for January 2023. So if you would like to see what I got inside of this box and see me possibly do a look, then you know what to do. Please keep on watching. So how is everybody? I hope everybody's been doing good. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do tutorials, unboxings, teaching techniques, hair care, skincare, hair tools, just about anything, wigs, extensions, just about anything to do with makeup and beauty. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and take the bell to all so you don't miss a notification. Now let's jump in to this unboxing. So before we get into the unboxings, I want to let you know a little bit about Ipsy. If you already know this part and want to skip it, go down to show transcript and it will tell you when I'm starting to unbox. So Ipsy is a makeup subscription, monthly makeup subscription box. We have 3 to choose from. We have the Glam bag, this size, always, you know, with the zipper. So it's $13. And you get 4 trial size items in this bag. The next one is this one, and this is the Glam Bag Plus. This is one of my favorites from Ipsy. It is $28 and you get 5 full-size items in that one. And the next one is my absolute favorite, is the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I love that box. It comes with like 8 full-size items in that box, and you get really great quality of brands to try in the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and it is $55 a month. And you only pay that every 3 months because you don't get your Glam Bag X but once every 3 months. As long as you are a subscriber of Ipsy, you can get the Glam Bag X. Like I said, there is a link down in the description where you can click on it and go to sign up, and you pick what bag you want. You do your beauty profile, they go from that, and then they build you bags or boxes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you click the link in the description of this video. Now let's get into this unboxing. So for the year of you, January 2023, forget reinventation, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with all nail art, finding time to read, and or reconnecting with friends. That is this month's box, the theme of the box. I got 2. I got the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So we're going to go through them. And this one is so cute because it's like little fuzzy bunny purple with a green. Okay, so this is the Dew of the Gods, Feels Mini, Squalene and Oat Milk, Dry Erase Facial Scrub. So I will be glad to try that. The next thing is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. Let me see. I've never tried their lip pencils. Oh wow, that's big. That's a big lip pencil. Yeah, let's oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, I like that. And then I got a eyeliner by the brand I could not pronounce. It starts with a B. I think they sent that palette during Halloween. And it's just an eyeliner. Excuse my scratches from yesterday where my coat was touching my arm. It messed it up. Let's see. Then we have the Shayna B Miami lip gloss. Let's see what color she is. Ooh, I like that. Well, I believe that those two right there in the front would make a good lip combo. So there's that. And we got the Orza Beauty Nebula Shimmer Eyeshadow palette. Has 4 colors in it. I believe I've used one of these before. I don't think it was exactly this one, but we're going to try to do an eye look with that. And then in the Glam Bag Plus, we have Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Oh my gosh, that sounds so amazing. Yogurt recovery mask. Yes. Oh, it smells so good. I am so excited to try this. Of course, they put the Milk makeup in Rise mascara that I did not like. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. That I did not like in last month's box. So, I'm going to put this into the 2 giveaways I have left to do. So that will go into one of the giveaways. The Fleur and Bee Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. Brightening and 10% vitamin C, cruelty free, sustainably made, and 100% vegan. This looks good. Oh, that is a nice little bottle. Let's see what it smells like. I have a vitamin C one. I thought I had here. Oh, that smells really nice. Well, now I can have one for my bathroom and one for back here. So, yay. And the next thing is the Tarte Drink of H2O. The Tarte C. And I think I got this last time. I'm not sure. I'll have to check and see if this is the one that I got. And we'll put that into a skincare video. And the last thing is the half-caked big crease brush. We'll have to use this today. I've already got my eye primer on. Of course, it is the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. Okay, let's do an eye look with this palette. So I'm going to go into this brown. And I'm going to... It's not really a brown. Oh, I remember. These are not greatly pigmented, but they have some pigment in it. So I'm just laying that down. Now I'm going to come down here and put this in the outer third. All with this one brush. I'm going to do, I'm going to take this dark color right here. I'm going to put that at the edge of the eye look. I think I'm going to go with the dark brown shimmer. So I'm going into this dark brown. And then we'll put some in on the inside. And then I'm going to go in with this really pretty light pink. We're going to put that in the middle. And that's the first eye. I'm going to go over and finish up the other eye, and then I'll be back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished the eyes, and I went in with my Tarte mascara because I don't like that milk mascara. So I used this palette, did this eye the same as this eye. I did go in with the Makeup Geek Telepathic on the brow bone and the inner corner, just to lighten it up a little bit. I did use the, where's it at? Oh, I did use this black eyeliner. It's coming off a little bit, but it's okay. And I did blend it out some underneath the eye, and it worked fine. I do have to get some mascara off the top of my lashes, or my eyes, but we're going to go in with this NARS pencil. Ooh, I love that color. Really love that color. That's something I wouldn't normally pick out for myself. But this is gorgeous. I love this. And it's in the color Dolce Vita. Love, love, love. And we will put a little bit of the gloss on. And I did use Shayna B's blush palette that I got in Ipsy. That's gorgeous. Okay. Alright, let's talk about this box. Okay, so let me know what you think about the look. I think it's really pretty. I love the look that I made. I really love this color of lip pencil, which I'm using it as a lipstick. And the Shayna B lip gloss went really well with this. I love this color. That is a perfect color for fall and winter. Don't want to forget that I have that. Okay. This eyeshadow palette is good. I mean, it's not anything to write home about, but it did create this look. And I think I said it about the last palette too. It has 1 matte and 3 shimmers, so it's kind of hard to do like a real detailed look with just 1 matte, but I did this. I didn't like the Milk Rise mascara, so I put it over here for a giveaway. Cannot wait to try this tonight. I might do a video tonight. And can't wait to try this in the morning or tonight. Gonna check and see if I have some of this back in my bathroom with my other skincare. But I love Tarte anything pretty much. And we are wearing the new Tarte Sculpt Contour. Love this brush, which she needs to be clean now. Oh, this is like a microdermabrasion scrub. Yes. Yes. Love that. I love, 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 love those kinds of scrubs. The Shayna B lip gloss was gorgeous. I loved it. So, I mean, all in all, this was a really good box. You know, the eyeshadow works. I mean, it works, so it's okay, you know. I created a darker look with the last one, and I still have it here. Other than that, that is all we have. Let me know down in the comments if you get Ipsy. If you do, let me know if we got similar boxes. And if you don't, if you want to try it, there's a link in the description. I do not make any money towards you signing up. I only get points that help me to shop inside the app. But if you would like to try out Ipsy for yourself and become an Ipster like me, then I'll leave that down there below. There will also be the Gerard Cosmetics website down below, and also what was your favorite thing that I got in this box. And I think that's going to wrap it up, guys, for the day. So, I love you all. Please make sure you smash that like button. And if you are not subscribed and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.